Okay, start.
Okay, thank you. So, hello everyone. Uh, my name is Rahul Kumar. I'm Salesforce consultant in Accenture, and I have total 15 years of experience. Okay, and by last 5 years, I'm also providing training in Salesforce. Okay, so let's start journey in Salesforce. Before going to start, can you please tell me about yourself? That you are from IT background or non-IT background? We have here Veera, Gaurav. Guys, can you please tell me
Hello,
about
sir. Good
yourself?
morning.
Yeah, good morning. Yes, Gaurav. You are from technical background or non-technical background? Can you please tell me? Actually, I'm asking this one so I can understand that you have prior knowledge in application programming. You have knowledge about C, C++, Java.NET or not? Okay. Or you are from MBA, you are from another domain, you are working in another industry right now. You have completed your MCA, but after that you have moved there. So you are from technical or non-technical background? Yes, guys. Vivek, Veera, Gaurav.
I'm from non-technical background, Rahul.
Okay, okay, non-technical. And what you have did?
Uh, Education purpose?
Yeah,
Become.
BCom. Okay. Then Vivek, Veera. Okay.
Yes, my
Uh,
mine only.
okay, okay. Sorry. So why I'm asking this question to you? I need to know the purpose here that we are going to move into a technical programming here right now. Okay, Salesforce is a technical platform. So why we are going to Salesforce here and how we can join Salesforce? Okay, why we can join Salesforce here? So when you will go into Salesforce, so you will get that we have different types of profile here. We have administrator profile, we have development profile, okay, and we have business analyst, and we have almost QA also here. Okay, so admin profile in system administrator, you are not going to write a single line of code here. Okay, we are going to work on one software, but we are not going to write a single line of code here. You will get all standard functionalities, and in those functionalities, you have to customize, you have to configure as per client requirement. Okay, so we have a lot of standard functionalities. In that one, you can go as an admin and you can work on structure of Salesforce. You can create object there, you can create fields, you can create relationship there, you can create a profile permission set and a automation tool there. Okay, we have a lot of things in admin. So without writing a single line of code, you can start here as an admin, and after that, slowly you can move into development. Okay, and for development, obviously we are going to do coding here. So we are going to use here Apex programming language. Okay, we are going to use here Apex programming language. So like Java syntax, we have same Apex programming language here. All things you can do, whatever you can do in another programming languages. Okay, we can do DML operations here, we can call the data from another application, we can use the integration here, we can design the functionalities here with custom user interface. We will get a lot of things into this one. Okay, so first we are going to start from admin part, then you can go after when you will get knowledge of admin, then you can go and you can move into development part slowly. Okay, and third one we have business analyst, BA. Before going to start development, we need to take requirement from client side, right? Okay, so for that client side requirement, we have business analyst that is going to work as a intermediate person in between client and development team. As a BA, you will go, you will connect with a client. Okay, you will take all the requirement from there and then you will assign that task to the related developer, related admin. Okay, so if you have better communication skill and you have better communication skill, admin knowledge. Okay, so you can go and you can work as an BA here. Okay, basic knowledge in admin, because you are going to communicate with client and client will ask you that how much time it will take to complete. So if you know about basic functionality, so you can say it will take 3 hours, it will take 1 week, it will take 2 weeks, or it's a custom functionality, it will take time. Okay, so we have business analyst and we have QA, quality analyst, tester. Okay, for each development task we need tester. Okay, for testing purpose, I'm going to design something, I'm going to develop something, and before going to deploy this task on production org, we need to check that it's working fine or not. Okay, so tester will go and test that functionality. So if you have testing knowledge, okay, and you have basic admin knowledge, then you can also go and you can start your career as a BA. Okay, so right now you are working in different domain, and you have to ask me one question that our previous experience will also count there. So obviously yes. Why? Because we have different types of cloud here, different types of application here, because we are going to target for each industry. Suppose that right now you are working in mechanical and Salesforce is going to be used by any mechanical company and they are going to hire someone person, so they will prefer you. Correct? Okay, so your experience will count there. So we have these 4 different types of profile that you can choose, and you can go and you can move into Salesforce here. Okay, clear? It's clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so as per feasibility, you can easily move into admin here, and as per package, if you will go, so you will get best package in the industry right now in Salesforce. Okay, Salesforce is #1 application right now. If you will go to search here, Salesforce market share. Okay, so you will get, let me show you images. Okay, let me open this one. You can see Adobe has only 3.9%, SAP has 5%, Microsoft has 5%, Oracle has 5.5%. Okay, and Salesforce has 23.9% market share. So we will get more than 5 millions of jobs within these 2 years. Salesforce has announced already. Okay, and as per package, you will get better and package here. And job assurance, you can see here we have more than 20% market gap here. Okay, so no one is going to fill this gap in next 20 or 30 years. Okay, so as per technology, as per budget, as per your package, Salesforce is right now #1 in market. Okay, so be assured for job, be assured for better package here. So let's start that what is Salesforce. Okay, so Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship application, or we can say customer relationship management, CRM. It's a cloud-based CRM platform for supercharging every part of your company that interact with your customer, including marketing, sales, commerce, service, and many more. In which industry right now you are working, it is going to be cover all industry here. Okay, we have sales cloud, we have service cloud, we have marketing cloud, we have NPSP cloud, we have ADA cloud for each and every industry. Okay, so Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management. So what is the meaning of cloud-based and what is the meaning of CRM? So let's discuss first with CRM. So CRM is customer relationship management. Okay, customer relationship management, it's going to store customer contact information like their name, address, phone number, as well as keeps track of customer activities like website visits, like how many calls you have did here, how many emails you have sent, and many more. Okay, so let's take one scenario here. If you have remember before 5 years or 10 years ago, if you are going to call to customer support, so they will ask you first, hello, what is your name? Okay, why you have call us. But right now when you will call by your registered mobile number, so it is going not going to ask you that who are you, why you have call here. They will directly say, hello Mr. Viru, how may I assist you? Why? Because they have your full knowledge already in their system. Okay, they have all information there, which product you have purchased, right? So on behalf of your information, they can provide you better service. Correct? Okay. Second example you can take for e-commerce portal. In e-commerce portal, when you will go to purchase anything like in Flipkart or Amazon, so you will see a lot of product already there that you have searched in previously. So what will be benefit here? Benefit will be that suppose that you have searched shoes. Okay, so before 2 years you before 2 months you have searched shoes, and you got the price there after only 10% discount, and you have not purchased shoes. Okay, after 2 months you are going to purchase one pen drive here, and you will see that same shoes with 80% discount. So what will be the chances that you will purchase shoes? Right, chances are high because you are getting 80% discount. Okay, so on behalf of your activity, they have increased their sales. On behalf of customer activities, they are going to increase their sales. Okay, so that is the power of CRM. What is CRM? It's clear, guys. What is CRM? It's clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this is business definition, and now we need to discuss here. You have seen a lot of website, right? Those all are CRM or simple software. Okay, simple software, or you can say simple websites. When you will go to explore internet, so you will get a lot of website there. So that is CRM or that is website here. Okay, so to understand this one, let's take one scenario. Suppose that I'm going to work here as a Java developer. As a Java developer, we are going to work here, and someone need. Okay, let's take one scenario here that there is one person who have one school, and they need a school software. Okay, they are going to connect with you, developer or any IT company. They are going to connect with IT company here. So they will ask for school software. So first of all, developer will ask one question here, sir, provide us details requirement. Okay, what do you want to design here? You have to provide your detailed requirement so we can go and we can design it. Okay, so you will go back with your team, you will sit and you will create a details document here. You need to create a student module. Okay, you have to create teacher module. You have to create fee module. You need to create, guys, please mute yourself.
I know you. You know me? How do you know? You are a YouTuber? No, no, no.
Please
I'm not a
mute
YouTuber.
yourself.
मुझसे no बोलो. रिकॉर्ड कर रही हो क्या? रिकॉर्ड तो देखिए, जब पहली बार देखा मैंने आपको तभी कर लिया मेरे दिल के हार्ड डिस्क में. हाय हाय.
Viru, can you please mute yourself? Okay, so we are going to create a document on a student module, teacher module, fees module, examination module. We are going to create on activity module. Okay, we are going to create here admin module, so we can go and we can create a new student, new teacher, and we can provide all fee structure there. Okay, so it is going to take time. It will take 2 month, 3 month time to complete this document. And after 3 months, again, you will go to connect with company, and then they will read your document and they will say it will take 4 to 6 month time. Okay, it will take 6 month time to complete this software. Okay, and after that, you will get your software here, and you have to pay 5 lakhs rupees, suppose that. So you are thinking for this school software right now, but you will get this software after 10 months, after 12 months. Okay, so that application provider, they have provide you CRM, and in CRM you will get all these functionalities pre-built there. Correct? Okay, these all are basic functionalities. In any school we will go, so we have these all basic requirement. We have to handle our student data, we have to handle our teachers data, we have to connect them, and for attendance we have to track here fees module. So these all basic functionalities. You will go in any country, you will go in any school, these are the basic requirements. So why we need to wait for these basic requirements? Okay, so in CRM they have already created these functionalities, so you will get pre-built functionalities here. Okay, you just need to go there, purchase your related CRM, and then you can start work from day one. Okay, you don't need to wait for 10 months. You have to go and you have to purchase, and you can start to work on it from day one. So we got here CRM. Okay, so now it's clear what is different in another software and CRM. It's clear now that what is different in
Yes,
another
yes.
application, another website, and in CRM. Any software in which you are getting already pre-built there, that is CRM. Okay, so why we have Salesforce is number one CRM, and reason is this is the first CRM that is cloud-based CRM. Okay, so what is the meaning of cloud-based CRM? So what is cloud computing? So in simple word, I can say it is an application on remote server, and to access it, you will need the internet access and browser. For example, Gmail, Yahoo Mail. Okay, we are going to use email functionality on remote server, not on your local system. Okay, for example, we can take here Photoshop. In Photoshop, if you want to use Photoshop in your system, so you have to install a software. It will take more than 2 GB space. Okay, but nowadays we have a lot of applications that are in cloud. You can go there, you can subscribe there, and then you can use more and better functionalities with AI. Okay, more than this Photoshop. So same we have any application that is on cloud, that is on remote. Okay, for example, Gmail, you are going to use Gmail, you can open this in any device. Okay, you can open it from anywhere. So any application that is on remote place, and it may be possible that you have virtual server. Virtual server means any server that is on remote place, or development environment at remote place. Okay, so we will get development environment on remote place here. So these all terms are called as a cloud computing. So you can understand by this diagram, on cloud you have your application there, and then you are going to use by your phone, by your laptop, by your servers, by your desktop, by your tablet. Okay, what we need to design, what functionality we are going to use, what database we are going to use, all things we will get into cloud here. Okay, so when you will go to use cloud, so you will get here 3 different types of services. Okay, first one we have IaaS, infrastructure as a services. Second one we have PaaS, platform as a services, and third one we have SaaS, software as a services. Okay, so what is the meaning of IaaS? IaaS IaaS means infrastructure as a services. So in this type of service, you will get the virtual system which can be connected using internet, where you can install any software. Even in service provider, you can install the operating system also there. Okay, you can get the root level of access to server. System admins are mainly benefits because of no hardware maintenance and overhead. Let me tell you the scenario so you will get better understanding for this IES patience as. Okay, suppose that you are working right now in USA as a Java developer. Okay, you are working as a Java developer in USA in some one company and you came here in India for 1 month. Okay, so you are here and suppose that your manager will say that Viru, can you please go and can you please make this change, and you have not taken your laptop with you, so you cannot make that change here. Okay, second scenario, I can say to you that you are here for 1 month, can you please make me one small software. So for that you need a laptop, you need a desktop, so I'm going to say that is system. Okay, you cannot start directly to write your code in this laptop. First of all, you have to install Java software. First of all, you have to install Java software, and then after installing, you will go to open software to write code. Correct? Am I correct here? First of all, you need a laptop. Then you will go to install a software there, and then you will go to use that software to write your code. Okay, so system, this is your physical system. This is your physical system, and here we are going to get a virtual system. Correct? This laptop desktop is your physical system, and here we are going to get a virtual system. So we have a lot of player in market like Amazon ECS, Rackspace Cloud. Okay, you can go and you can purchase a platform there, you can purchase a infrastructure there where you can go and you can start your work. And in some service provider, they are also going to provide you the functionality that you can install operating system and you can use as a personal laptop. Got it? Second one, we have PaaS. PaaS means platform as a services. So in this type of service, you will get development platform bundles with all the types of software pre-installed. Okay, here you need to install a software, right? You are going to install Java software to get a platform. After installing this Java software, you will get a platform where you can go and you can write your code. And here you will get already install all those software that are required for development. Okay, so you just need to go there, write your code, execute your code on remote server. So normally you will get sandbox here to program and test your application. In this type of mechanism, you cannot get the root level of access to the remote server. In Java, when you will go to connect, so you can see your files there. Okay, you can see your database files there, but here you cannot see the files of database. We can go and we can use only. Servers will normally follow the multi-tenant architecture, where same server used by multiple organizations. It's preferred by the developer who want to quickly start and development on particular technology without worrying about hardware and underlying technology framework installation. Okay, and Salesforce has provided you Heroku and Force.com platform where you are going to work. So it's clear that what is SaaS and what is PaaS. It's clear, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Next we have that is SaaS. SaaS means software as a services. Okay. You need a system. Okay. Now we have system. You need to install Java software. We have installed that one. So this is your one-time process. Okay. This is your one-time process. First time you got your laptop, you have installed your Java software here, and in future you are not going to think like that on it. Okay, from next day I will go to open my system, I will go and I will go to write code. So in that scenario, you have your laptop, you have your software there, but we are not going to focus on it. Now we will go directly and we will use it. So that is called SaaS, software as a services. So this is the highest level of service in which everything is provided from hardware to software to already built application. Okay, for example, salesforce.com used for the CRM already have bunch of application built. So you will go on salesforce.com and here you will get already all things there. You will go, you will write your code, you will go, you will customize your functionalities there. So that is clear now. What is SaaS, what is PaaS, what is IaaS?
Yes, Rahul.
Okay, so we have started from where? What is Salesforce? So Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM. Okay, CRM means customer relationship management. Okay, so we are going to store customer information there and we are going to store customer activities there to increase our sales. And then what is the meaning of cloud-based? Cloud-based or cloud computing, that any application that is on remote place, remote server, virtual server. Okay, so let's go, and next we will discuss about core architecture of Salesforce. So the architecture of Salesforce can be understood as a series of layers, and each layer of the architecture has different feature and functionalities. And in this we have multi-tenant architecture, we have metadata, and we have API. So what is multi-tenant architecture here? Salesforce architecture is so popular because of its multi-tenancy. Multi-tenant architecture means one common application for multiple group or client. You can take example here, like there is one building, okay, and you are living there as a tenant. So you can only use your that individual place. Okay, so in such architecture, multiple clients use the same server, but their oak are isolated from each other. Okay, whatever I'm going to do here, that is not going to reflect to you. Right? It means the data of one client is secure and isolated from another group of clients. Because of this multi-tenancy, any developer can develop an application, upload it on the cloud, and easily share it with multiple clients or group. Multiple users share the same server and applications, and it is very cost effective. In Salesforce, because of this multi-tenant architecture, all customers' data is saved in a single database. So you can use in multiple places to that. Okay, so if you have knowledge about C, C++ or any other programming language, so in that one you will get, suppose that you are going to write a program, and in that one you have used there, in any condition you have used there, you are going to divide there 1 divide by 0. Okay, so what you will get result here? If I will go to make this calculation 1 divided by 0, so what you will get here? Infinite loop, right?
Yes,
Okay.
infinitely.
And your screen will stuck there because your processor is going to be process it, and after some time you will get error there. Okay, but here we are going to use this multi-tenancy architecture, so you are going to use any such functionality, so you will get a governor limit error here. Okay, as a developer you are going to create any functionality that is going to breach the uh, governor limit there, so you will get error. We are not going to be wait for that when I will get my processor stop and we will get error there. No, I will get error on the same time if you are going to define any wrong functionalities. Okay, so you can understand like this. We have server, we have data there, and we are going to use a common application for all. So we have different clients, so they are going to use same application. Okay, so this is your multi-tenant architecture. So as we can see in this diagram, the common application is shared among the three clients. The multi-tenant architecture is much efficient than single tenant architecture. What is different between both architecture? The development cost is much high in single tenant architecture than the multi-tenant, because in single tenant each user on the application and the maintenance cost is also owned by the single user. Okay, to make any update in the application, the developer need to be it for each client manually, whereas in multi-tenant the developer need to do it in one place and automatically each client will receive the updated version. Salesforce will provide you update for software 3 times in a year. Okay, you will get summer release, you will get winter release, you will get spring release, and client they don't need to do anything. Salesforce will do automatically in background and you will get updated version here. So no need to be worried for that. Okay, second thing, we have metadata. So if I will ask you about metadata, so metadata is data about any data, metadata here. So Salesforce platform follow the metadata development model. The metadata means data about the data. Salesforce store the metadata in the shared database among with the data. It means it store the data as well as what data does. As we can see in the diagram here, okay, this is metadata architecture. So first we have polymorphic application on web browser and that is going to be run. So you will get tenant specific metadata, you will get common metadata, and then you will get data here. So the tenant specific data ensure that the common data is only shared with one tenant, not with another tenant or group. This ensures the security of data. Even in the shared database, the security issues got resolved with the multi-tenant architecture because all data is stored on different level in the form of metadata. Okay, let me show you one example so you will get better understanding. Suppose that we have one account object and that is available to all client. Okay, in account object we have one field there by the name of ABC. This is name ABC and you will get API name for this, that is ABC __ C. So this is your API name. Okay, this is your API name, and then in this we are going to store result. Okay, there is one client Rahul who is going to store here value in ABC, like I'm going to store here 34. Okay, there is one another one here that is going to store here 50. Okay, there is one another one here that is going to store here 70. So this 34 is only visible to me. This 50 will be visible to you as a view, and this 70 will be visible to any third person. So it means whatever data we have related to that client, we will get only that data here. Okay, so that I'm going to say here. The tenant specific data ensure that the common data is only shared with one tenant, not with another tenant or group. This ensures the security of the data even in the shared database. Okay, so we have metadata, that is data about data. You are going to say that what is the value of ABC, that is 50 for you, but we have metadata, that is the API name of this ABC. We have value is equal to this one. So all these information are going to be stored in background. So that is your metadata. Okay, we can understand it will be example such as if there are three clients A and B and C who contain the shared database in the Salesforce platform. These group can access their metadata from the shared data. Therefore, each client will have separate metadata. This separate metadata makes ensure each client share his data only, not other. I told you, just an example. This increase the security of the shared database with the developers productivity. Okay, and third one we have API services. So API services, the Salesforce metadata driven model allow the developers to create their application easily with the help of various tools. But sometimes developer needs some more functionalities for their application to make some modification. To make such modification, Salesforce provide a powerful source of the APIs. These APIs help the developer to customize the Salesforce mobile application. These APIs allow the various bits of programming to interface with each other and trade data. Without knowing many details, we can connect our application with other application. Okay, right now you will go in industry, so each company is going to use different applications. Okay, so if I'm using 4 or 5 application to handle my business, so I also want whatever data we have stored in different places, so that will be centralized, means I need to store that data into database, so we can easily connect all those with the help of APIs. APIs provide a simple but powerful and open way to programmatically access the data and any application running on the Salesforce platform. These APIs help the developers to access apps from any location. Using any programming language that support web services like Java, PHP, .NET, C Sharp, okay, we can handle those APIs. So in this you will get your infrastructure services, in which you have your network, your storage, operating system, database, app server, web server, data center, disaster recovery. And second one, you will get your application services, okay, in which you have to authenticate, you have to security, sharing, integration, customization, web services, APIs, multi languages, multi tenancy, workflow analysis, multi device, messaging, search. And then we have operation services, that is availabilities, monitoring, patch management, upgraded backup, NOC. And then finally we will get our result here. So we are going to use APIs here. Okay, so we have discussed till now that what is Salesforce, what is the CRM, what is cloud computing, and in Salesforce we are going to work here multi-tenant architecture, we are going to use metadata here, and we are going to use APIs. So till now you have any question, guys, in your side? Do you have any
Uh,
question in your side?
no.
No? Okay.
No, Rahul.
Okay. So next we have to think here. If you will go to use any other programming language like C, C++, Java, .NET, and PHP, Python, and many more. Okay, so these all are open source programming language. Okay, these all are open source programming language. So open source means any application that is freely available to you, you can go and you can search that setup and you can install in your system free of cost. Okay, for C, C++, you can go and you can install Turbo C setup here. For Java, you will get Java JDK JRE files free of cost, you can install here. For .NET, you can go on microsoft.com, you will get setup there free of cost. For PHP, you can use JAMP here. Okay, so these all are open source programming language, but in case of Salesforce, it's a paid application. Okay, Salesforce is a paid application, means you want to use this Salesforce for your business use, so first you have to pay for this. Okay, and when we are going to pay for this, so we will see that in how much amount you will get what features. So we have 4 different types of packages that you can go and you can purchase here. First we have Essential Edition. Okay, in essential edition, you will get all essential functionalities that are required for your business. Okay, you will get lead management, opportunity management, lead customization, sales process customization, mobile apps you will get there. You will get to customize your reports and dashboard there. You will get smart mobile application there, case management, account and contact management, task management, activity management, and many more features. Okay, and for this one you are going to pay $25 per user per month. $25 per user per month, not a fixed amount, right? We have to pay monthly wise for this as per your users. Okay, suppose that you have 5 users right now, so 5 into 25, so that will be $125 per month. Got it? Okay, and after that, suppose you have more budget, then you can go with professional edition, and in professional edition you will get $75 per user per month. Okay, you will get here all basic functionalities, and with that you will get more features about your administration. You will get for your customization, you will get for your application also here. In essential edition you will get only one application. In professional you can create 5 application here. Okay, you can go with 50 workflow rules in essential edition. In professional you can go with 100 here. So you will get more than essential into professional edition here. Okay, third one we have enterprise edition. So enterprise edition is sufficient for a large business. So in this you will get a lot of more functionalities whatever you have in professional edition, and with that you will get a lot of more features here, like you will get here 100 validation rule, you will get here 200 custom object, you will get 500 custom field in each object here, and you can create 25 lightning application here. In addition, in professional you have only 5, and enterprise we can go up to 25. Okay, and for this one you have to pay $150 per user per month. And fourth one we have unlimited edition. So for unlimited edition you have to pay $300 per user per month. Okay, and in this you will get unlimited features, unlimited customization, unlimited custom application. You will get here multiple sandboxes, you will get here, you will get additional data storage, you will get 24/7 support here. Okay, and you will get more features rather than enterprise. In enterprise you can create 100 validation rule, in unlimited you can go up to 500. You can create 2000 custom object here, and in each custom object we can create 800 custom field per object here. Okay, so for large business if you have no issue in budget, then you can go with unlimited edition. Okay, so next is question that I'm going to work here. So which edition we have to purchase? Okay, so we have one more application or edition here, that is developer edition. Okay, developer edition for developer, and this is free of cost. Okay, developer edition is free of cost. So you will go and you will create your Salesforce org. So as a client, as a customer, if you need to see the trial, you can go on salesforce.com and you can create from there. And as a developer, we have to go on developer.salesforce.com/sign up. Okay, so open this URL in your site, developer.salesforce.com/sign up. Okay, let me open this. So here you will get a form like you have created account in any other social media platform. So same you will get here. Okay, you have to provide your first name, last name. I'm going to provide here my first name is Rahul. My last name is Kumar. Okay, email ID, provide your email ID. Okay. Role, you will get multiple roles here, as a developer, as an architect, as an administrator, as an IT manager, as a business manager. Okay, you can select anyone. Let me select developer. In company name you can provide any company name here. I'm going to take my company name here. Then we have country, so you can select your country here. And main thing is you can provide your postal code here. And main thing that we need to take care, that is username. Okay, you have to provide your username that must be in the form of email address, and it does not have to be real. Okay, it is not necessary that you need to provide real email id. Okay, this is my real email id, but I can provide here a email id like Aarav tech 1@wsm.com. Okay, so this is in the form of email id, and there is no such email id, so this is fake email id. Second one, it must be unique and cannot be associated with other Salesforce login credential. If I'm going to use this one, so next time I cannot create same username, or no one can create here this one, because all data is centralized like your Gmail. If you have tried to create a Gmail ID with any username, so you will get this username already taken. So same we have here. So if I'm going to use this one, next time no one can create this type of username. Select this checkbox. So provide these all information. Select this checkbox and click on sign me up. And with this information, Salesforce will go and it will create a developer org for you. Okay, it will create a developer org for you, and it will take some time. So in this time we will discuss about one more thing. You will get a Salesforce org, right? After in login here, you will get a Salesforce org. So that org we are going to call here as a production org. Okay, that org we will get after purchasing or after creating this developer org. We are going to call that one as a production org, where your company employees or your sales rep, they will go and they will work here. Okay, they will create business there. And on the same time, you also required for admins and developer to develop the functionalities here. So now we will get problem on this production org. Your sales rep, your employees, they are going to work here, and on the same time your admin, their developer, they have made some changes. So your sales rep, your employees, they will stuck in process. Okay, they will go to save the button and they will get problem there. So Salesforce has provided a solution for this, that is sandbox. Okay, sandbox. Now on sandbox, your admin and developers, they are going to work on it, and your company employees and sales rep, they will go to work on production org. So what is sandbox here? Sandbox serve as a copy of production environment, where the developers and tester can create and test new feature and configuration changes without affecting the data or setting of the production environment. Okay, so you will get a copy of production environment here that we are going to call as a sandbox. Okay, so here your admin and developer, they will go and they will work on sandbox. Okay, we have tester also here. Whatever problem you got here on production org, same problem we will also get on sandbox here. How? Your admin is going to create some functionalities and that is working fine, and admin is going to say to tester that you can go and you can test this functionality, but tester is busy in some another task. Okay, and admin has started a new functionalities on. After some time, by this new functionality, your old functionality is going to be reflect here. So when tester will go to test, they will get problem here and they will say to admin that it's not working. Okay, last time it was working better, but tester is not tested. After 3 days, 4 days, if tester is going to test here, so we will get problem there. Okay, so Salesforce has provided for solution for this. They have created 4 different types of sandboxes. Okay, we have developer sandbox, we have developer pro sandbox, we have partial copy, and we have full sandbox here. Okay, In developer sandbox, you are going to get here 200 MB storage. Okay, that will be refreshed daily, and we are going to use for development. Developer Pro, you will get 1 GB storage, that will be also refreshed daily, and you will go to use for integration testing and development. Partial copy, we will get here 5 GB storage, refreshes every 5 days, used for end-to-end test. Okay, this is for testing purpose. And then we have full copy, that is same size as the production org, whatever data metadata features you have on your production org, same you will get on sandbox here on this one, and that is going to be refreshed in 28 days, and we are going to use for UAT testing. Okay, so now what will happen? As a developer, I'm going to work on this developer org. I have created functionality, so I will go to deploy my task from this developer org to this partial copy. Okay, so where a tester can go and they can test the functionalities. So I have moved that data on this partial copy, and now I can go and I can create another functionality here in developer or developer pro. On this partial copy, your tester is going to test data. If all things are good, then we will go to deploy from partial to full copy. Okay, and here we are going to use this one as a UAT. UAT means user acceptance testing. So if that functionality is going to working fine on this full copy sandbox, so definitely it will also work better on your production environment. So we will deploy the changes finally to the production environment. Okay, so this is the life cycle of development in Salesforce. On developer org, on developer pro, our developers are going to work there, and after that we will move to this partial copy for tester. They will test here, and after that we will go to move to full copy, and if all things are working fine on full copy, so finally we are going to deploy on production org. Okay, so let's see the mail that you got. Mail here. Go and let me check my email. Yes, I got the mail here. So you will get mail like this: thanks for sign up with Salesforce. Okay, click below to verify your account, and you are getting here to button to verify account. Okay, with this you will get one URL, and you are getting username that you have used. Okay, so this is your username and this is your URL. Okay, this is your individual URL. This is your tenant URL only for you. Okay, I'm getting here this one. You will get different URL. So either you can use this URL to log in, or you can use for production org. We can use here login.salesforce.com. Okay, so this is your public domain, and it's easy to understand, easy to use here, right? Login.salesforce.com. I can easily understand this one. But WSM tag Microsoft 9 -dev -ed .developer.my. So this is very tricky here. You have to remember that what was my tenant URL. So you can use this one or you can use this one. Okay, for production we are going to use this login.salesforce.com, and for sandbox we are going to use here. Okay, for sandbox we are going to use here test.salesforce.com. So you can go and you can log in on sandbox on test.sandbox.com. On production you can use login.salesforce.com. So let's go and click on this verify account here. So it will ask you to put your password into this one. What password you want to provide? In each password you have to provide minimum 8 character, 1 letter and 1 number. Okay, so let me take one password here, and I will suggest you to first note down this password in somewhere, because you are going to write this password here, but after some time you will forget. Okay, so note down your password somewhere so you can remember that one. Okay, before going to write here. and you have to provide answer for any security question. We have a lot of these security question and which one you can remember. So select that one and provide your answer here. Why? Because in future, if you will forget your password and when you will go to reset your password, so Salesforce will ask you this security question and you have to provide answer that you are the real person or you are a hacker here. Okay, so I'm going to make this one and then click on change password. So finally we have created our developer org here. Okay, we have logged in into developer org and right now you are getting this one. This screen is for setup area. Okay, so we will discuss about setup in next session when we will start our classes. For now you can go into these 9 dot and here you will get different application, service application, marketing application, community application, and you will also get here a lot of more application. So you go and open these all application one by one and go and check what we have here. We are getting here these all different menus. When I will go to click on this menu, so you will get a list of data here. Right now there is nothing, so let's go and click on this filter and select all opportunities, so you will get all opportunities data here, right? I told you that we will get a lot of pre-built data, so you are getting a lot of things here. I have not created anything. So go and open these all record, what we have in these all, go and check these all features here one by one. So go and explore this environment. So in next session when we will connect, so we will start from here, that how we are going to use this application as a end user or as an admin or developer. Okay. Okay, Veera, Gaurav.
Yes.
Okay, so go and check this one and then we will start from here. In today's session, now you have any question related to your career, related to Salesforce,
Yes.
related to what we have
Yes.
discussed?
Yes. What have you covered in this like entire this training like only for the admin or development also?
First, we will go for admin here, and
Okay.
for development, when you will start development, so we will take a separate session.
Okay. What about the like real time scenarios like in these calls?
Yeah. So I will take here two project for real time scenarios. Okay. So one we will discuss on each particular topics, whatever we have in admin part. We will take scenario on the same time. So you will get familiar that how we are getting requirement in real time project and how we are going to solve those all. Okay. And second one, I will provide you for assignment so that you need to do in your site.
Okay. For
Okay.
admin, any programming knowledge required?
No,
No, right.
no,
And
no
whatever the
single line of.
whatever the duration for the only for the admin.
Duration, it will take near about to 30-35 hours.
Okay. For the regular sections.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other question?
No, for my side.
Okay. You got all points, whatever we have discussed.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Sure. Okay. So go and check these all things and let's connect in next session. Okay.
What are the regular timings like classes?
For regular time, you will get call and then we will decide whenever you are okay. We will connect on same time, 10 to 12.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we can discuss on time that which time is better suitable for all of us. So we will take that time here. Okay.